Hello YouTube, so today's video is how to download Java. So we're going to use Eclipse. First, you need to type Java JRE. It's got JRE 12 or 11, but we want to just click Java archive. No, not this. You don't click on this. You go click on the download tool. Yeah, okay. So once you click it, you click on this Java 12. You click on this accept and you click on this. Now it should be installing. Eleven, 10, 9, 8. Now you should see it's going to be downloading. Depending if you're how fast it's gonna download. Linux. Tar. Now you should see this little coffee looking thing. Let's just put this in our desktop. Ooh. I think the reason why we can't do this is simple. Let's close all of this. Now you should see the little coffee. Now you should see this admin. You click yes. Wait for this loading screen to appear. India. We're Oracle in America, although we're in India. Oracle. Now we'll say this. Oh, I already had installed it. So I already had installed Java, so I'm gonna click no. For you do all the steps. Now I'm going to go to, we're not done, so I'm gonna click System Security, System, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, Path, Edit, and it will be C, Program Files. So we're gonna open File Explorer, go to C, Program Files, Java, and you should see the JDK 12.04 our version, and click bin. Copy all of this and all the so many programs. Now we're not. It will. This is how to set it up. Now our next thing, Eclipse. We're gonna go to eclipse.org and downloads. Now it's going to download Eclipse. I'm gonna click download 64-bit. That should be this. We're gonna click download. Let's pause because it's going to take 3 minutes. Okay, now once I download it, you should see Eclipse installer. That's going to start up. Looks like it's going to take time. If it is going to take time, I'd rather pause the video again. Now, I forgot. Let's go command prompt. CMD on search box. We're gonna type Java _ Ooh, I don't know what's the spelling version. So it's Java version. You should say Java 12.0.1 2019 416. Java SE runtime available. Java Global 67. Yeah. It's eclipse loading because I don't know why. That's how to download Java. I'm gonna put a tutorial how to download Eclipse. Once. And finally Eclipse loaded. It should will install. Let's wait. Again, literally another pause. I'm sorry. Now it's going to load. Now you should see this. Now we're going to click Eclipse for Java developers. Now I'm going to click install. And it's going to be installing. Repository downloading. Ooh. Now I accept this. You accept. Please no, you can't just click Eclipse installer without installing Java. Jerry or JDK. Can't just do that because it won't work. It will say, look, error. Can't find Java. Java. So yeah. Artifact downloading very slowly. Don't know why it's taking too long. But let's try to wait for a few more minutes. If it's going to take too long, I will have to pause. What's this website? think it's going to take long, so now sorry for some. Now we're going to click all the certificates. We're going to click Access Selected. Now it's going to be installing more. Now let's see it on the desktop. Yeah. Now it's creator now. This is how to finally install Ute. Java. We're gonna click Workplace and click Launch. I have manually. Continue. Now let's start Eclipse IDE. Dongadoo, dongadoo, lingaloo, kangaroo, chinkasoo. Let's wait for this to respond. If it's not going to respond, then we will. Let's do Chrome.exe. Oh, now it's started. Meow. Now we'll just create a new Java project. You already gave me one. Hey. No, I don't want to create it. Let's close out those programs. We're going to right click and click New Class. Now we're going to type hello. And we need to click public static void main string args. This is going to make the program start. You can't just you need the syntax. If you remember watching my Python, if you watched my Python, system.out.println the y. Oh yeah, you need to. What's so annoying? Hello worldy. Hello YouTube. And finally the program start. You're gonna right click. Let's right click. Run as one Java application. Now it's going to run. Hello YouTube. Bye and hey, go to my type on the search box bro night. On the search box you will go type bro night. Ding dong dong, ding dong dong. 29 subscribers, 2 more. So Where's mine? Oh, finally. We're now going to customize channel. Now you're going to go to and we're going to go to a video like my Python Gmail.
It took a year to make YouTube content because of my exams and my laptop screen broke. What's up, guys?
So now we're going to
to
go
YouTube.
click
It's been a year I didn't take
now click
any-
subscribe,
any
like
YouTube
it,
content.
and if you
Just
do not like,
today, I'm
let me know if you don't like it so I can improve it,
Info
so I can improve my videos. And
with
press the bell
Alan
icon.
Hill.
Yeah, I don't have it because I don't know why. But
Products to that email.
and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, otherwise I'm gonna eat you up. Otherwise I'm gonna eat your pizzas. Or sometimes your biryani. And bye-bye. Request me on the comments. Request me to make a video. You need to request me. Otherwise, once I'm requested, I'm gonna make it for you. Like gaming videos of Fortnite, or how building a gaming PC, or any video you want me to request. So I'm gonna do an example.
What's up, YouTube? So today's Java tutorial. Today it's gonna be a different video. It's still Python, now in Java. So run your web browser.
Like
Still I will do Python videos, but now go to type
a gaming
now
PC.
Google type Java JRE. Now click on this.
I'll give you a giveaway of something I'm gonna think of. What am I going to be thinking of is, although this video, this would say Java Hello World, Java for beginners, this is not true. This is not really going to be correct. And it mentioned how to install eclipse and how to install Java. So after that, I'll give you a giveaway of a place. What thing do I have? Of an Xbox One S.